Have you ever wondered how you could easily change your download location in Google Chrome? Maybe you don't want a specific file downloading in an area that you don't like. Well, don't worry, I got you. Right, so once you've opened up Google Chrome, head over to the top right, then select the three dots. Then head over to the bottom here and choose Settings. After choosing Settings, head over to the left side, then choose Downloads. It's going to show you your default download location. So under Location, it's going to show you where all your downloads go. If you want to change it, head over to the right side here and choose Change. And then you'll be prompted to choose your location. You could also save it in Documents, Pictures, it's your choice. Then once you're done, select Folder. And now you're going to notice that your download location is going to change. Or maybe you want to download your files in different and various locations all the time. There's an option which says ask where to save each file before downloading. If you select this, every time when you're about to download a file, it's going to ask you where you want to save that specific file that you're downloading. And this way you can choose where you want to save it. And there you go. That is how you can easily change your download location in Google Chrome.